If you are a security professional or a safety professional or even in a management, you would come across these words like threat, hazard. Sometimes you stop using these words interchangeably. Sometimes they say threat, sometimes they say hazard. Ever wondered what is the difference between a threat and a hazard? Hi everyone, I'm Shiva RP. I'm your host of Security FYI. Today, I'm going to discuss about what's the difference between a threat and a hazard. To improve your security awareness and readiness, subscribe to this channel. A threat is a negative event that can cause loss or harm to your people, or it can cause loss or damage to your properties. A hazard, on the other hand, is a negative source that can cause damage or loss to your property, or can cause loss, harm, or adverse health effect to your people. You can consider threat as an active agent or an active thing that has a capability to exploit the vulnerabilities in the system. On the other hand, a hazard is a passive thing. In other words, it's just a condition or a situation or a state or a thing that is existed in your system. Or when defining a threat, you will also consider a threat actor or agent. For example, a threat actor or agent can be a person or an organization or an entity that can act on its own or can support a threat. A threat actor can exploit the vulnerability to cause the risk. On the other hand, a hazardous source cannot exploit the vulnerability in the system, but only when your properties or people come in contact with hazard or hazard sources, it will lead to the risk. To give you an example of a threat, an activist who's trying to steal confidential data from your website. So this particular activity you can call like a threat. And the cyber criminal, you can call him as a threat actor. On the other hand, you can consider a thing like a knife or a weapon like a hazard, or a substance like a chemical can also like a hazard. On the other hand, an insider who's tried to sell your corporate secrets to a competitor, you can consider as a threat, and the disgruntled employer who's trying to sell as a threat actor. On the other hand, you can also consider a flood which is hitting your organization as a threat, and the nature as a threat actor. On the other hand, in hazards, you can consider chemical hazards, biological hazards, or even you can consider safety hazards or ergonomic hazards. For example, for biological hazards, you can consider like bacteria and viruses. And chemical hazards, that is something due to toxic properties of the chemicals which can generate certain gases and can cause adverse health effects. Or ergonomic hazards, something that you can relate with repetitive movements of the body and improper setup of workstations. And for safety hazards, you can look at slipping and tripping hazards or improper workplace conditions. I hope you got some clarity between what is a threat and what is a hazard. In simple terms, a threat is more an active form and hazard is more of a passive form. Unless you come in contact with the hazard, there will not be any risk event. On the other hand, a threat has a capability to come and cause risk to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. To improve your security awareness and readiness, subscribe to Security FYI. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.